Epic Games purchase disabled. God, you gotta. Ah, do you really have to do all this? I'm gonna read as fast as I can, okay? As fast as I can. There was a problem processing your request. Please contact customer service. That's the message I got after trying to purchase something in Epic Games. I've been trying to solve this issue over a month, but have to come to a conclusion. I started contacting support in November, but I realized the issue way before that time. I just didn't really care about it. I thought it just temporary glitch or something like that. So I thought it'd go away sometime. Then when I seriously wanted to buy something, I started working on fixing it and finding a solution. I already had 2 tickets toward Epic Games, but both worthless and helpless. Well, it took forever to do something about it. That's what happens when you just let something go, right? So they took decades to answer, and when they did, they gave obvious suggestions that doesn't even need support. I also talked to a special support agent or whatever, but he was useless too. Almost everyone is. Like, I hate it. And in the end, he even stopped replying, just like the other guy in my other ticket. After that, honestly, in the other half of December, I just stopped worrying about it and just played games because I got tired of it all, and I was also pretty at that time. Is it pretty or okay, let's go. Now after Christmas and New Year, I got myself to get back in trying to solve it, so I decided to come here for advice. I researched a little bit here for some answer about my issue, but I didn't find a solution. What to know about my account and the problem? I just recently moved back from Poland to Hungary in the summer, so I still have an account region set to Poland. The currency set to PLN. God, there's so much stuff, man. Since still have epic rewards on the account, didn't want to change it back to Hungary because then I would have lost it all. Then when I wanted to spend it, it didn't let me. I was trying to buy something with reports plus adding money from my card, which as I mentioned already felt to work, even texted with ChatGPT, but kept saying the same things, couldn't really help. The problem might be because of the region, but still don't understand why. If you think it's the region, then why? Oh my god. Also, I don't want to change it. Because what if it still doesn't work and then I change for nothing? So briefly, that's my issue. Okay, so is the account and the card the same region? Okay, I'm gonna stop reading right there because it sounds like there's some problems already that I'm not going to keep on reading, losing my breath for nothing. Like my head already hurts. You thinking that the region is the issue, but it sounds like it is. If your card is not the same region as your account, ding, 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 there's a problem. God, man, some people really, 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 really think that they can fix the impossible. I wouldn't be surprised if Epic told them, hey, your regions are different from your card and your account. But left that one out on here, huh? Move on. There's not even no advice. Just there's no other way around it. Change the region and see if it works. If it doesn't, okay, you tried everything, but it seems like you didn't try everything.